Drivers and local public works officials are battling an increased number of potholes following a snowy winter on Cape Cod. Highway officials say potholes are formed when road surfaces crack, allowing water to seep below the roadway. The freeze and thaw cycle causes the water to expand as ice, leaving a cavity in its place. As vehicles drive overhead, the pavement above that cavity caves in, forming a pothole, like those on Mary Dunn Road in Barnstable and Hyannis. The problem of potholes can be costly to drivers who bend rims and pop tires. It also costs towns and taxpayers to repair the damage.
My name is Ivan McKenzie. I work for the Town of Barnstable Highway Department. And this is a coal patch that we use to cover potholes in the winter. This is a mixture of sand, pea stone, I believe, and diesel. We mix it up, and once we put them in the pothole, we temper it down, or we use the tires to roll it down. And it'll last probably 2-3 weeks, depending on the weather, if it doesn't rain, till we come back in the summertime and fill it up with some more permanent material.